Hey guys, good morning. Hope all is well. Today is Wednesday, June 3rd. Rocking out. Super easy lesson today. Piece of cake, nothing new. We're just comparing fractions. Today we're going to get number lines, and some are going to be no number lines, but they'll be the same numerator or the same denominator. So it should be a piece of cake. All right, we're going to quick warm up and then we'll get going. I'll try to make this video a little shorter for you so you have a little more time. It's supposed to rain about 3 o'clock today. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Now we don't count anymore. 33, 36, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now we have 44, 48, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. Sevens, ready? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63. Now we know them as well as 70, 77, 84. 8 and 8 are 16, 24 and 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, and 72. 80, 88, 96. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108. Let's go tens, ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, 121, 132. Let's go 12s. Let's go out to my man Michael today. How about Michael? Hope all is well, my friend. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132 here, 144 there. Here's 12, there's 12. Now we know what times 12. Oh, man. Had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. All right, guys, I'm going to keep this brief, super simple. All right. Same numerator, 3 or 3. So the only thing that matters is the denominator. So all you got to think about, what's bigger, fourths or fifths? And you say to yourself, the bigger the denominator, the smaller the pieces. Fourths are bigger than fifths, right? Both 4. Sevenths or fifths. The bigger the denominator, the smaller the pieces. Fifths are bigger than sevenths. Halves or fourths. Just think about a sandwich. Is a half a sandwich or a fourth of a sandwich bigger? Of course, a half. The bigger the denominator, the smaller the pieces. I love this one. 2 sixths or 2 100s. And you think, whoa, 100s. No. Think about like a penny, like 100 pennies. A penny's very small, right? It's 1/100th of a dollar. Very small. I'd much rather have sixths, okay? Now, same denominator. They're both fifths. They're both fourths. So the only thing that matters is they're both the same size. It's just whichever one you have more of. So I'd rather have 4 than 3. I'd rather have 3 than 2, since they're both thirds. And 3/3 is like the whole thing. I'd rather have 4 than 1. They're both fourths. 4 fourths would be the whole thing. 1/6 or 10/6? Well, definitely 10/6, because 10/6 is actually more than 1, because 10 is bigger than 6, so it's like 1 and 4/6. But I'll teach you that later. Then we go to a number line, all right? The further you are over here, the closer you are to 0. The further you go over here, you go to the number 1. Just like in social studies, if you're looking at a number line, the further you go this way, the further down in time it was. And the further you go this way, the further back you are, right? So if I'm looking at a number line, I'm comparing 2 fourths and 3 fourths. Well, here's 2 fourths, and here's 3 fourths. Isn't 3 fourths further this way? So 3 fourths is bigger. And then what's going to happen today, they're going to ask us to compare some numbers on a number line, but they're going to give us like 2 number lines, right? And so what you need to do is, since the denominators are different, you're going to have to find them on the number line and see where they are. So here's 1/4, here is 5/8. 5/8 is 1/4 is this big, 5/8 is this big, so it's definitely 5/8, right? 1/4 or 1/8. Well, think about it. This is how big 1/4 is. This is about how big a 1/8 is, right? So what's bigger, 1/4 or 1/8? Definitely 1/4. And they're both the same numerator, so fourths are bigger than eighths. 3/4 or 6/8. Well, check this out. Here's 3/4. Here's 6/8. Do you see how they are in the same spot on the number lines, like that? See that? So that would mean that they are equal. I have 3/4 here, 5/8 here. So this is 3/4. This is 5/8. 3/4 is going to be bigger. And check this out. 4/4 or 8/8. Where is 4/4? Where is 8/8? I don't know. Well, check it out. 4/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. 4/4 would be the same as 1. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8. 8/8 would be the same as 1. So you see how they'd be the same spot on the number line because they're both 1, 4/4, 8/8. So again, they would be equal. Alrighty. I think you guys got it. Pretty easy lesson today. Keep up the great work. You guys are rocking. Just a few more weeks of this and we are in the clear and you guys can enjoy your summer. Keep up your reading. Keep up your tasks. You guys are doing a great job. All right. Stay safe out there and take care of the ones you love and be good to all people. All right. I'll see you guys soon.